Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be an undecorate and clean with me. I'm going to go ahead and take down all of my Halloween decor. I'm not really the kind of person that can leave something up after the holidays, and I'm also not the kind of person that will go directly into Christmas decor. I kind of feel like Thanksgiving and all of that gets looked over. So make sure that you stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to show you just a little bit of what I'm going to go ahead and put out for Thanksgiving. Personally, if I go ahead and decorate for Christmas right after Halloween, by the time Christmas gets here, I'm sick of looking at it. So I like to go ahead and take at least 3 to 4 weeks after Halloween and just kind of get my house back to normal for a little bit. So like I said, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video and I will show you kind of what I do. I've kind of just put out the rest of my regular decor and then just added a few little fall and Thanksgiving things. But we're going to go ahead and get all of this stuff taken down, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean and get everything nice and tidy so that I can get it back to normal and start to put out a little bit more decor. So I'm curious to know how you guys decorate for Christmas. Do you decorate right after Halloween, or do you give yourself a little bit of a break like I do? Also, I would like to know how long you leave your Christmas decor up. I'm just the same way as with everything else. Right after the holiday, I like to take everything down and kind of get my house to normal. So let me know in the comments below how you decorate for Christmas and how long you leave it up.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
So you guys know the little situation I've had on this side of my kitchen for quite a while now, and I got the bread box to kind of take care of that. And then I went ahead and grabbed this little wire basket from, I think it was Michael's, and I wanted it to put like all of our fruits and vegetables and things in. Well, it has started to collect the chips and all of that stuff again. I just don't know what is wrong with me. I can't get it straight, but at least it's all, contained in one little area. But here, hopefully in the next few months, we're going to be having our countertops done, and I think we're going to do like a little build out from that side, get rid of that microwave cart and add like an extra base cabinet right there. And then we'll probably continue out the countertop from the side of the fridge all the way across. That way we'll have some more storage and some more counter space as well.
I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Ooh, I just want you now. Put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Now I'm just going through the kitchen and getting everything wiped down, and I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys this multi-purpose cleaner that I picked up from Trader Joe's when I showed you my haul from there. It's really nice. I enjoy the smell of it. It cleans really well and it doesn't leave a film or anything like that. I've noticed that I've been pulling that out and cleaning more with that than anything else lately. So if you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. I cannot remember the name of it right now. I would go pull it out, but you can see it sitting right there. So if you're near Trader Joe's, go and grab some and try it if you haven't already. But after I go ahead and clean everything out of the kitchen, I'm going to move into the living room, and I've actually decided to take off all of the covers to my couch cushions. If you saw my last video, I told you guys that we had taken down Bodhi's kennel, and he decides that he needs to be on the couch while we're at work. So I wanted to go ahead and take those off and give them a nice clean as well. So I got those off and into the washing machine so they could be washing while I finish up the rest of the house.
I've realized
I get a ton of comments on how cute it is that Bodhi follows me around, and he is basically just like the supervisor of all the things of this house, and it really doesn't bother me. I enjoy him being there with me, and he's just really curious. But I would like to know if you guys have pets and if they do the same thing to you, if they just follow you around the house, or if you've got one that just kind of lays there and stays out of your way. Now that everything is wiped down, I'm going to go ahead and get my vacuum out and vacuum all of the living room and the kitchen, because I'm going to go ahead and mop the kitchen as well. And I'm not sure if I showed it in this video. I'm not exactly sure if I even filmed it, but I decided to mop my floor in a different way. And I have seen a ton of people do it with the laundry detergent, like the powder detergent. So all I did was put 1 scoopful and some really hot water into my bucket, and that's all I did. And I mean, it cleaned really well. It smelled amazing in there, but I didn't see that much of a difference from using any of my other floor cleaners. I may have been doing it wrong. I didn't do a lot of research. So let me know in the comments if you've done it that way, and if there's something else that you're supposed to add with the detergent, because like I said, I didn't add anything to it. I just put the scoop of powder in there and then a bunch of hot water. So let me know if you've heard of that or if I'm doing it wrong, because I think it would actually work really well if I'm doing it correctly, which I'm not sure that I am. But like I said, it smelled amazing in there and it worked just fine, but I didn't see that much of a difference from that or using any of my regular mopping solution.
We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I. Thought I was okay, till something in me changed, don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time. Some I
Next, I just went into the bathroom and got everything put away, got all of the clutter off of the countertop and gave it a really quick wipe down. I had actually gone in here the night before and gave it a good scrub because we've had a lot of rain and Bodie's feet were disgusting. So I put him in the bathtub and gave him just like a quick little bath. So it really didn't need a whole lot of cleaning in here. So like I said, I just wiped everything down and put everything away.
Discovered, didn't care for one another. You and I thought I lost my way, but you washed out all the gray. Don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping.
So here's just an overview of what I put back out as far as decor wise. That big tall sign up on that top shelf, I actually just picked up at Michael's. All of their fall stuff I think is 60% off. And then that hanging basket that I just showed you guys, I actually picked that one up at Goodwill and I think I paid $1.25 for it. I'm not quite sure. And I also added just some moss and a couple little pine cones in this piece. I still don't know what it is. If you know, let me know. But I pulled out my gather sign. I've got that in the windowsill and everything is just kind of back to normal and I love it. I wish I could keep it this way forever, but Christmas is coming, like I said, and I am going to be decorating. I just don't want to decorate quite yet, but I did actually move one of the signs that I used to have on the kitchen wall, and I added it over top of my sofa table here, and I think it looks really nice. That little antique sign on the bottom, I picked that up at Michael's as well. But I really wanted to say thank you guys so much for coming and watching today's video, for spending a little bit of your day with me today. I truly appreciate it. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and consider clicking that red button before you leave. I would love to have you become a part of my YouTube family. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
That we could be something in the end, something more than friends.